Hi, this is Dansoy Amateur Cook, bringing you a quick tip. If you want to make like soft tortillas into snacks, either to just snack on or to add dip or add salsa, there's a really easy way, and you can actually make them into garlic butter soft tortillas. So the white will turn like this dark color, and you can see the parsley in there. So I'll show you really quick how you can do it. It only takes like a couple minutes, and if you want, after you cook these, you can store them in the refrigerator for a couple days and use them for leftover meals, or you can, like I said, snack on them or add like salsa, cheese, and dip. Alright, so you're going to want to start out with garlic butter. You can either buy it or you can make it. There's plenty of recipes on the net or on YouTube to get it, but it's so easy to buy. It doesn't cost that much money. Then Goya adobo, and then here's the white tortillas. And we'll just go right to the pan, and it doesn't take long. Alright, so you see the garlic butter in there? You're going to want to spread that around the pan. Keep it on low. Alright, so we have the butter in there. Take your tortilla, soft taco, whatever you want to call it, lay it down, and sprinkle it with some adobo or whatever sauce you want. And the thing is, just start turning it. And this is a thing where you're going to just keep turning it and flipping it. And it looks, it usually only takes like a couple minutes. Alright, so you can see that we're cooking it. It's starting to sizzle. Just flip that over. And you can see that the parsley is starting to go in there, and the garlic. Since I flipped it over, just lightly salt it again with adobo. And like I said, keep this on low and just keep turning it. If you have to, add more butter. But it will have a tendency to fold. So just keep turning it like I said. So you can see how it's starting to change colors. So just keep turning it. And we're almost there. If you have to, just add more garlic butter. But this is a quick tip from Dansoy Amateur Cook. Once these are done, like I said, they're really tasty for yourself or your kids, and they'll harden up, so you can snack on them like crackers, or you can add dip to them. Alright, so you can see how I flipped that a couple times and how it's getting golden brown and darker. That's the parsley and the that's the parsley and the butter coming together. But you just want to keep flipping it like that. You can see that it's hard. And that's basically it. That's how you make these things in just a couple minutes. Alright, so we're done with that. So flip it again if you want, but you can see how it got hard. So we take that and we add it to the other ones. So you can basically see you can make that very easily. Thanks for visiting my page. You be safe and have a good weekend. Another tip from Dansoy Amateur Cook. Be safe.